Yes. Now keep heading everyone. 2-digit square. Left side keep heading. 2-digit square. Keep heading. 2-digit square. If they have given any 2-digit, how to find a square? Keep heading. 2-digit square. 2-digit square. Keep heading. 2-digit square. If any 2-digit they have given, how to find a square of that given digit? 2-digit square. Now all students stop writing. Concentrate here. First question. Each and every student stop writing. Akshara, you can move to this side. Yes. 2-digit square. Don't write students anything. First, listen carefully here. What concept I am going to explain. If they have given any 2-digit, how to find a square within 3, 4, or 5 seconds. Listen carefully. Yes. First example I'm writing. Concentrate everyone. Don't write anything. If I want to find out 34 whole square. Listen carefully. I want to find out 34 whole square. How to find? Listen carefully everyone. Yes. Listen carefully. Don't write anything. Concentrate here. How to find 34 square. In a previous class, we have learned if once a place digit is 5, then how to find a square. Now today we are going to learn any digit they have given 2-digit, then I can find out how to find the square of that given digit. Listen carefully. I have written here 34 whole square. I want to find out 34 whole square. First step, whatever digit he has given, I will multiply all. 3 into 4 into 2. Our first step, whatever digit he has given, I will multiply all. 3 into 4 into 2. What answer has come? 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 20, 24. Okay. 3, 4 and 2 I have multiplied. Answer has come 24. This is first step. What is first step? Whatever digit they have given, I will multiply all digit. 3 into 4 into 2. Answer has come 24. Now what is the second step? Second step, this is tens place digit is 3. Tens place digit is 3. 3 square I want to find out. And ones place digit is 4. 4 square I want to find out. 3 square means 9. But always I will make 2 digit. 9 means 0, 9. 4 square 16. What I have done here? I have taken square of tens place and square of ones place. Ones place digit is 3. Ones place digit is 4. 4 square has come 16. And tens place digit is 3. 3 square has come 9. After that, how to find? After that, how to find? Listen carefully. Now, digit has come 0916. And I have multiplied all 3-digit. Answer has come 24. Now, this 24 I want to write here. This 24 I want to write here. Means, but I will leave which place? Once a place. I will leave once a place. Now, this 24 I will write here. 24. Always I will leave once a place. Always I will leave once a place. Now I want to add 6, 4 plus 1, 5, 9 plus 2, 11, 1, 1. Answer has come 1156. Again, listen carefully how I have explained. Whatever digit they have given, our first step, all digit I have multiplied. 3 into 4 into 2 is equal to 24. This is first step completed. Now what is second step? Square of ones place, square of tens place. The square of ones place is 4, 4 square 16. The square of tens place is 3, 3 square is 9. But 9 I will write, I want to make 2 digit. 2 digit means 0, 9. 0, 9 and 1, 6. Now, whatever number I have multiplied here, 3, 4 into 2, I will bring down, but I will keep blank here in ones place. Always keep in mind, you want to keep blank in ones place, and I remaining digit I will write here 4 and 2. After that I have added, this answer has come 1156. Don't write, listen carefully. Second example I am taking, listen carefully everyone, don't write anything. Yeah, second example. Second example I am taking 74 whole square. I want to find out 74 whole square. What is our first step? First step, I want to multiply this all three digit. I want to multiply this all three digit. 7 into 4 into 2. What answer has come? 7 4 the 28, 28 2 the 56. What is first step? Whatever three digits they have given, I have multiplied. 7 into 4 into 2, 56 has come. What is second step? I want to take a square of ones place and tens place. Square of ones place and tens place. 4 square, 7 square. 7 square means 49. 4 square means 16. Now again this 56 I want to write down, but I will give blank. I will keep blank here in ones place. I want to write in the tens place and hundred place. This blank I have given. Now I want to add 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 carry, 5. 5476. This answer has come 5476. Are you getting my point, students? Again, listen. One more question I am taking, third question, then you can start writing, okay? Third question I am writing, listen here, everyone. Third example. Listen carefully, don't write. Example 3. 87, 87 whole square. 87 whole square. First, what is first step? 8 into 7 into 2. Answer has come 112. 8 into 7 into 2. What is second step? Square of ones place and tens place. Square of ones place and tens place. Ones place digit is 7. Tens place digit is 8. 8 square 64. 7 square 49. Again this digit I want to write here. 112 plus 9. 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 1 5. 6 plus 1 7. 7569. This answer has come 7569. Are you getting my point, students? Yeah, note down. Example first. Note down example first. Start writing, everyone. Note down example second. I hope students you are getting my point. Note down third example. In previous class, I explained how to find a square of two digit if one's place digit is coming 5. Today I have explained if any two digit they have given how to find a square. Now I am giving fourth question. Note down everyone. Find the square of find the square of find the square of 31, 45, 38 and 52. Start solving everyone fastly. Find the square of 31, 45, 38 and 52. Start solving everyone. Okay, again, those are unable to solve. Again, I'm explaining that question. Concentrate here. I want to find out square of 31. Firstly, I want to multiply 3 into 1 into 2. Answer has come 6. Again, 3 square is 09. 1 square, 3 square 09. 1 square 01. Now digit is 6. I want to add here. 6. 961. Now 45 square, two methods are there. First method you can apply. Second method also you can apply. In previous class, I explained first method. What is first method? 5 square, 25. And once tens place digit is 4. I want to add plus 1. 5. 4 into 5. 20. 25. Here second method I am checking. 4 into 5 into 2. 40. Now 4 square and 5 square. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. Then 40 I want to add. 5, 2, 0, 2. 2025 answer has come. If you are applying first method or second method, both method our answer is coming same. Yeah, what is third question? Third question I have given 38 and 52. Third question 38. I want to find out square of 38. How to find student? I will multiply 3 into 8 into 2. What answer has come? 48. Yes. Again, I want to find out square of ones place and tens place. Square of ones place, square of tens place. Square of ones place digit is what? 8, 8 square. Square of tens place is 3, 3 square. 3 square is 9, but I want to make two digit. 9 means 0, 9. 0, 9 and 8 square, 64. And plus 48 I want to add. Always keep in mind, students, I will never write this digit to the tens ones place. Always I will give gap to the ones place. Now 4, 14, 14. 1444. Now some students are saying, sir, whatever answer you are giving, how to identify our answer is right or wrong? Then with the help of calculator, you can check our answer is right or wrong. With the help of calculator, you can check our answer is right or wrong. Then you can multiply 38 into 38. If you are multiplying 38 into 38, you will check your answer will become 1444 only. Then you, with the help of calculator also, you can check your answer is coming right. And with the help of techniques and tricks, your answer is coming also right. This is proof. Yes. Last question what I have given. What is the last question? 52. 52 square. 52 means again 5 into 2 into 2. 20 has come. Again square of tens place. Square of ones place. 5 square 25. 5 square 25. 2 square means 0, 4. Again 20 I want to add. 4, 0, 5 plus 2, 7. Answer is 2704. With the help of calculator, you can check your answer is right or wrong. 2704. Akshara, you are identifying your answer is coming right or wrong? You got it proof? Yes. Now student, just now we have learned if they have given any two digit number, we can find out a square of that given digit. Now keep adding 3-digit square. 3-digit square. 3-digit square. This 3-digit square tricks we can apply in 2-digit also. There is no problem. This 3-digit square tricks we can apply in the 2-digit square also. Keep adding 3-digit square. Now 3-digit square, if I want to learn 3-digit square, firstly I want to learn 1 to 20 square of each and every digit. Now today I am giving homework to you students. 1 to 20 you can learn square of any 1 to 20 digit. Understood? If anyone is asking, you can say answer on the spot. Now one first question I am writing, student, concentrate here. How to find 3-digit square? First example I am writing, student, concentrate, don't write anything. I am going to explain square of 3-digit. Don't write, student. First concentrate here. Yes. First digit I am taking 213 whole square. I want to find out 213 whole square. What is the value of that? How to find 213 whole square? Don't say answer 213 into 213. I will multiply. I can say answer. Everyone know that answer. When whatever digit they have given, if you are multiplying 2 times, answer will come, no problem. But what is the tricks how to find 3-digit square? Listen carefully, students here. Whatever digit he has given, firstly I will write same digit. Listen carefully. Digit he has given 213. Our main target is I want to make this digit 200. I want to make this digit 200. How to make this digit 200? By subtracting 13. If I am subtracting 13 from this given digit, answer will become 200. Whatever digit you are subtracting, same digit you want to add here also. Means always keep in mind, whatever digit they have given, I want to make, except the first digit, remaining digit will be 0. Now first digit is 2 and remaining digit I want to make 0. How to make 0? If I am subtracting 13, then I can make 0. Now listen carefully, students. Don't write, listen carefully. Yes. Now what am I doing? Minus 13 I am subtracting. Minus 13 I am subtracting. Whatever digit I am subtracting, same digit I want to add also. Plus 13. Listen carefully, student, what I have done. Digit he has given 213. Now 213 I want to make as 200. How to make as 200? By subtracting 13. Whatever digit you are subtracting, same digit you want to add also. But always keep in mind which digit you have added or subtracted. That digit I want to find out square. Means 13 I have added and subtracted. I want to find out 13 square. 13 square, it has come 169. This keep in mind. Okay. Next, 213 minus 13, what has come? 200. 200 minus 13 has come what? 200 into 213 plus 13, what has come? 226. Listen carefully what I have done here. First step, I want to make this digit as 200. I have added and subtracted 13. Then 200 minus 13, it has come 200. Next, 200 plus 13, it has come 226. Now again this 200 I want to make as 2. This is the trick, students. Whatever digit is coming here, 0 I will leave the 0 only. I will write here 2. How to make this? How to make this 2? If I am dividing by 100, if I am dividing by 100, then I can make this digit as a 2. If I am dividing by 100, then I can make this 2. Now this digit has come 2 into 226 oblique 169. Again, listen carefully what I have done here. 213 minus 13, 200. 213 plus 13, 226. Now here he has given 200, but I want to remove 0. How to remove 0? By dividing 100. Then I have divided by 100. Then 0, 0 cancel. Now this digit has come 2. Always keep in mind, if 400 is coming, I want to make 4. If 300 is coming, I want to make 3. If 700 is coming, I want to make 7. Then I have divided by 100. Now this value has come to 2 into 226 oblique whatever digit I have added, square of that digit 169. Now this 2 I will multiply with whole number. Now 2 6 2 6 12. Don't multiply 2 2 will multiply to the right side, not from left side. 2 6 12. 2 2 4 plus 1 5 and 2 2 4. Now this digit has come 452 oblique 169. Don't think, don't ask where you got 169, because whatever digit I have added, that square I have written here. Next, now a small concept is there, one more small concept is there. Concentrate here. Yeah, listen carefully. Students, you have observed here what I have done. I have divided by 100. How many zero I have divided? 2 0. Means 2 digit I want to write as it is. 2 digit I want to write as it is. Whatever 0 I have divided here, that many digit I want to write as it is. Now 6 9 I have written as it is. After that I want to add 1 plus 2 3. There is no carry, then remaining digit will become same. Answer is 4 5 3 6 9. 4 5 3 6 9. Now again you can check, students. You can multiply 213 into 213. Your answer will become same. 4 5 3 6 9. You can check. You can use calculator. You can